Hi there. My name is Ralph Hoyos, and I'm the Private Money Division Manager for Suncrest Capital Group. And I have another deal that I kind of want to run by you guys. So as I'm kind of going through deal by deal, some of these bigger properties, I feel kind of warrant something a little bit additional. So we're here, and I'm going to go through kind of all of the deal, all of the paperwork I have so far on it. And first off, I always like to start off with the appraisal if I have it. So, okay, let's take a look at this appraisal. First, here on page 4, the as is $780,000. Now that's great because that as is value needs to be higher than the actual purchase price. Our purchase price is $722,000. So with the $780,000 as is value, that means we already have equity in the deal once we close. So next is the estimated ARV. Well, the ARV came in at 1.25 million. Now, the way we work, that purchase and rehab budget has to be within 70% of that after repair value, that ARV. Now, if that ARV is anything more than 70%, then that's typically how much money they're going to need to the table to close. Now, in this deal, they're well below that. And just kind of looking at the market demand from the area is somewhat strong. The median time to sell a property in that area is 76 days. When I look at the renovation strategy and the estimated timeline, it's looking like, based on the scope of work that they received, that it'll take 91 days to rehab this property. And based on the type of, rehab being done on this property, they're saying that the estimated time to sell would be 39 days plus an additional 30 days for a cushion. They're putting everything total time to sell with rehab at 160 days. So that's pretty good. That's somewhere between 5 and 6 months with that 30-day cushion. Now, let me kind of go through the term sheet here. So the term sheet says that he's going to be needing $123,530 for his rehab. Well, let me look at his rehab budget. So let me just kind of go through the scope of work and see what's needed. Some general demolition. He's gonna get he's gonna need a dumpster. They're doing a new roof. They're painting the outside. They're adding some siding to the side. There's some plumbing repair. They got a light fixture and electrical checkup. They got maintenance HVAC repair where is needed. They have painting throughout the inside of the house. They're gonna tile bathroom, hardwood flooring throughout the house, new kitchen cabinets, quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances. They're talking about everything here that they're doing. Tub, toilet, showers, knob, shower glass, all new. Secondary bathrooms the same. They're gonna paint the basement as well. They're gonna paint the deck as well. And that's it. So I can understand that 91-day rehab, especially when you have a crew, right? So after I get all that information, I'm gonna put all of that in my deal analysis calculator. Now, I put the months, I put the purchase, I put the ARV, I put the hard money loan, I put the construction rehab budget, and I put how much he's gonna need for the private money. Just so that way I have an understanding of what his combined loans to ARV looks like, what his estimated gross profit is going to look like, and whether or not he's going to be long or short on the deal. So after I put everything in, he's 72.8% combined loans to that ARV. And then his gross profit is $240,178. Now I say gross, but that's technically after he pays back us on the hard money and you guys on the private money. So that's a good deal right there. I mean, let's just say he goes over 10% of his rehab budget. There's still plenty of money to be made on this deal. Plenty of money. Me personally, 80% combined loans to ARV is our limit. That's the max limit we'll do because we want to make sure that all parties involved make money. on this deal, this is exceptional. This is exceptional. And then just kind of going back to the appraisal real quick and looking at the photos, man, this one right here is not that bad. Nice brick style family property. Looks like they had converted the garage before with windows and doors. I mean, this property, I'll be honest with you, it's a little dated. I mean, it definitely could use a nice little sprucing up, but that's why, yeah. I mean, if you take a look at these photos, you're gonna see like this property could sell like this as is and make a nice little coin on it just as is. Now you add in all the extras, make it real modern. I could totally understand how it gets that ARV. Yeah, this is a nice property. This is a real good one. If you're interested in getting in on this deal, the minimum investment on it is going to be around 50. Let me see here. Let me go back to his approved loan. He needs $208,100. So you need about $52,000 minimum to get in on this deal. But again, this is a solid one. If you have any questions, let me know. Guys, if you haven't already, don't forget to make sure you like and subscribe all of our content, and follow me at Ralph_Hoyos on Instagram and Ralph Hoyos at Facebook. Look forward to hearing from you.